Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video I'm going to be talking about percentage change and showing you how to answer percentage change questions. Now percentage change is worked out with a very simple formula. We take the new value, we take away the original value, and we divide by the original value. So let's look at our question here. Find the percentage change from 8,000 to 12,000. So all we do is plug this in to the percentage change formula. We work out the change on the top, which is 12,000, take away 8,000. And we divide that by the original amount, which is 8,000. So 12,000 take away 8,000 is 4,000. And that's all divided by 8,000. So here we have a fraction which we can simplify. If you notice, they both are 4,000 and 8,000, which are both multiples of 1,000. So I can divide the top and the bottom by 1,000. That gives me 4 over 8, which can be simplified again to 1/2. Now we can convert 1/2 to a percentage, which is of course 50%. So the percentage change from 8,000 to 12,000 is 50%. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.